Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, get ready for a luxurious journey through the world of automotive elegance. From vintage classics like the Silver Ghost to modern masterpieces like the Phantom, these rolling works of art epitomize the ultimate in luxury, comfort, and status. Join us as we unveil the finest creations from Rolls-Royce, a captivating exploration that will immerse you in the epitome of luxury. Don't miss out on number 4, the stunning Rolls-Royce Pininfarina Hyperion, where opulence knows no bounds and every detail speaks of refined artistry. Before we start, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for updates on all our tech videos. Alright, let's get going and explore these awesome concept cars. Number 7. 2023 Rolls-Royce Phantom Series 2. Introducing the 2023 Rolls-Royce Phantom Series 2. This is the 8th version of the luxurious Rolls-Royce Phantom, and it has some cool new updates. The regular and longer versions both got these changes. On the front, there's a bar connecting the LED lights. The front also has a shiny dark chrome grille that lights up and new headlights with fancy star-shaped designs. The wheels now have a retro style that looks like wheels from the 1920s. There are different wheel options with cool patterns. Inside, things are mostly the same. You can now choose a special kind of soft material for the back seats. The ceiling of the car has stars that look like they're moving, and this is called the Starlight Headliner. The new thing here is the Rolls-Royce Connected technology, which helps with navigation and shows you how the car is doing. It has a powerful engine, a 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12 that gives the car 563 horsepower and makes it go super fast. It goes from 0 to 100 miles per hour in just 5.4 seconds. This amazing car costs around $800,000, making it a top choice for those who love luxury and speed. Number 6. Rolls-Royce Cullinan by Mansory. The Rolls-Royce Cullinan by Mansory is the ultimate luxury SUV. Mansory, a luxury coach builder based in Germany, created an exclusive custom version of the Cullinan with a variety of upgrades and personalization options. For the exterior, Mansory offers a custom carbon fiber body kit that provides a sportier look with a new front bumper, side skirts, rear diffuser, and spoiler. The carbon fiber accents continue with options for the hood, roof, and mirror housings. 23-inch forged wheels fill out the bold arches and provide a stance like no other Cullinan on the road. The handcrafted interior combines the finest leathers and exotic woods with carbon fiber and aluminum trim for a bespoke space like a personal jet. The seats, dash, center console, and doors are all reupholstered in the softest Nappa leather and suede in your choice of color. Precious wood veneers or carbon inlays are available for the dash, center console, and door panels. Mansory offers Engine tuning to boost the output of the 675-liter twin-turbo V12 to an incredible 700 horsepower, allowing this mega SUV to reach 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds. An upgraded exhaust provides an authoritative growl to match the enhanced performance. Number 5. Armored Rolls-Royce Cullinan. The Rolls-Royce Cullinan is the epitome of luxury in an armored vehicle. For the discerning buyer looking for an ultra-luxurious yet secure SUV, the Cullinan Armored is for you. This beast of an SUV offers VR9 level protection, the highest rating for civilian armored vehicles. Its monocoque aluminum space frame is reinforced with ballistic steel and Kevlar, protecting occupants from high-powered rifles and explosives. Run-flat tires and a self-sealing fuel tank ensure you can escape dangerous situations. For less volatile areas, VR7 and VR8 versions offer more subtle protection. No expense has been spared for your safety and security. An intercom system, emergency lighting, fire suppression system, and emergency fresh air system are all standard. Optional items like a driver's night vision system, siren public address system, and electronic countermeasures help deter even the most determined aggressors. Just because it's armored doesn't mean it's not a Rolls-Royce. Handcrafted luxury abounds within its reinforced walls. The rear cabin space is utterly cavernous, with power-deployable tables, a full bar and refrigerator, multiple screens, and reclining seats. The iconic Rolls-Royce Starlight Headliner glitters with hundreds of LEDs. Lambswool rugs, polished wood trim, and the finest Connolly leather upholstery surround you in handcrafted finery. For the discreet yet impervious SUV, the Cullinan Armored has no equal. Fort Knox on wheels, delivering sublime comfort and safety for those who demand the very best in security and style. Starting at over $500,000, this armored beauty is a treasure in more ways than one. Number 4. Rolls-Royce Pininfarina Hyperion. The Pininfarina Hyperion is a custom-designed Rolls-Royce drop-head coupe created for an anonymous private collector. Only 4 were ever built, making them extremely rare. The Pininfarina Hyperion has a sleek, futuristic design with smooth contours and lines. The inspiration was vintage Rolls-Royces from the 1930s. The handcrafted aluminum body sits on a Rolls-Royce Phantom drop-head coupe chassis. The interior is just as lavish, with the finest leathers, woods, and lamb's wool carpeting. The teak wood trim has been treated to protect it from sun and weather exposure. The convertible soft top can be raised and lowered at the push of a button. Whether the top is up or down, the Pininfarina Hyperion provides a luxurious driving experience like no other. In addition, it has a 6.75-liter V12 engine producing 453 horsepower. The 6-speed automatic transmission delivers a smooth and powerful ride. Adaptive air suspension and anti-roll bars provide superior handling and comfort. Massive disc brakes bring this opulent roadster to a quick stop when needed. Number 3. Rolls-Royce Solid Gold Phantom. The Rolls-Royce Solid Gold Phantom is the ultimate expression of luxury. Only a select few of these gold-plated masterpieces were ever crafted. Hand-built in Goodwood, England, the Solid Gold Phantom features a 6.75-liter V12 engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission for an opulent ride. Nearly every inch of this land yacht is plated in 24-karat gold, from the iconic grille and Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament to the wheel hubs and door handles. The gold trim alone adds over 220 pounds to the total weight. Stepping inside the handcrafted cabin is like entering a gilded jewel box. Polished wood veneers, the finest leathers, and trauma detailing create an atmosphere of old-world elegance. For the ultimate symbol of status, the Gold Phantom includes a champagne cooler, tumblers, and a built-in humidor in the rear passenger compartment. Driving the Gold Phantom is an unforgettable experience, with its hushed cabin and magic carpet ride suspension gliding over any road. For the privileged owners, this 4-wheeled masterpiece is the gold standard of automotive luxury and excess. Though long out of production, the Gold Phantom remains an iconic symbol of Rolls-Royce's pursuit of perfection and beauty. Number 2. Rolls-Royce Le Rose Noir Droptail. Another masterpiece from Rolls-Royce is the Le Rose Noir Droptail. It's one of 4 unique cars from this famous brand. This stunning car costs a whopping $32 million, showcasing the ultimate in luxury. The design of the Rolls-Royce Le Rose Noir Droptail is all about romance and the feeling of driving with just 2 seats. It's like capturing the idea of rose petals falling, which they've done using 1603 blackwood pieces. The front of the car has 202 shiny stainless steel pieces, all painted in a lovely true love color. What makes this car really special is that you can remove the hardtop. Without it, it's a sporty, open-top car, and with the top on, it's an impressive coupe. Inside, there's a beautifully curved wooden panel that wraps around the driver and passenger. And here's the cool thing, the dashboard of the Rolls-Royce Le Rose Noir Droptail has a unique clock from Audemars Piguet. All these details show how much care and attention Rolls-Royce puts into their cars, making each one a work of art and innovation. Number 1. Rolls-Royce Boat Tail. The Rolls-Royce Boat Tail is the first of 3 highly bespoke commissions. This unique car is inspired by the elegant J-class yachts of the early 20th century. Handcrafted by Rolls-Royce Mulliner, the boat tail's sweeping profile and tapered rear emulate a yacht's hull. The car's bespoke design is the result of a 4-year collaboration with 3 private clients and their vision for a highly personalized vehicle. Some of the boat tail's distinctive features include a hosting suite used to serve guests with chilled champagne and canapés. The hosting suite opens at the press of a button to reveal a well-appointed space for entertaining. A refrigerator with 2 temperature zones for storing drinks and food. The refrigerated section is clad in the same wood and metal finish as the rest of the interior to maintain the flow and feel of the cabin space. A double-sided vanity mirror made from frosted glass and framed in polished metal. The vanity mirror rotates at the touch of a button to show the cabin interior on one side and the hosting suite on the other. The first boat tail demonstrates what is possible when Rolls-Royce's master craftspeople and designers work with a uniquely visionary client to co-create extraordinary beauty. A flawless expression of client centricity, Boat Tail is a pivotal moment for the Rolls-Royce brand as it enters its 2nd century of handcrafted, coach-built luxury. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We have more amazing videos pinned for you, so be sure to check them out. We appreciate your support, and we'll see you next time on the channel.